Zero point is that side.
Huh?
That side is 0 point.
You can get the 0 point also. This is also high. But the villagers are giving this objection, not this part, no? And one pillar is here.
From here.
Yeah. You see, sir. Now you see the river is coming here like this, no? That is the ID line. And now from here you turn that side, no? So like this. And river goes like this, and it goes again like this. So we are here actually. And now this is the land border, riverine border, and this also riverine border. Again the border turn this way. Towards this side, no? This Jantia Hills. So the problem is here, one pillar is there, 1301.
1301.
Yeah. 1301, no? So from here to here, 150 will be,
Yeah,
it's coming around this tree line, no?
Yeah, so we get a lot of
Yeah.
this land will belong
And
to
then
us.
this part, no?
Yeah.
This part is the island, not this side,
Yes,
you
yes,
see.
sir. Yes.
Now, what is the survey they did before, no? They are going to do the fencing along this river course.
No, then
Not
it's
very possible. Not along this 150 meters.
they should from here 0 point, then here, then the border, the fencing should be like that. Then we will get this river and land also.
And then the river, this one, no? Fencing already coming from this side already. From here, no, the bridge is already approved. But this one proposal hasn't given because the fencing was proposed to come along this
That is
one.
wrong.
That is what the locals are giving objection.
Which is very valid.
So, of course, even me also, I feel valid, but I don't know. Those days, no. We're not the one who did the mistakes.
No, they
Stop the bridge, and if they have to construct, it will huge expenditure.
See, from here,
come here, so we get